How to fix IoStore.Signature error. PAK is invalid in Fortnite. Now in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how you can fix if you're encountering an error message that your PAK file is invalid in Fortnite game. So before executing troubleshooting steps, make sure that Fortnite is not up and running in the background. So make sure just simply click this arrow pointing up or your notifications file and make sure that Fortnite is not around here. If it is, just simply right click on it and then choose on quit Fortnite. The other thing that you can do to double check is you can go into Task Manager and then from Task Manager under Processes, make sure as well that there is no Fortnite or Epic Games Launcher that is currently ongoing on the background. If it does, again, click on that and then choose on End Task. Now to begin with the troubleshooting step, all I have to do is to access your file manager and then go into your local disk, program files, and then in here locate the main folder of your Fortnite game. Access it and then choose on Content, and this is going to be the folder that you're going to have to delete. Delete this whole folder, hit on Continue, and then once you've successfully deleted it, just simply relaunch your Epic Games Launcher and it will automatically be updated to re-download the whole PAK files. And that's it. That's how you fix iOS Store Signature Error Pack is invalid in Fortnite.